What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Jay Life. What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Jay Life, back at it again with another video. So today I have something special for you guys. Yo, come here. Alright, bet. So today, as you guys can see, I'm in front of my restaurant right now, Beck's Filipino Cuisine. You feel me? My mom is inside. She's working right now. It's our day off, but you know, we're preparing some stuff. So yo, keep the drip though.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, so
Yes.
today, the video for today, guys, I'm gonna surprise my mom, okay? You guys will see what the surprise is, but just stay tuned. Just watch the whole video, alright? Much love.
All I ever wanted was $1 million in a fast whip. Riding around my city with my homies in the bag. Yeah, turn my music up and let it blast for the rap kids. You should
Follow me. Let's go say hi to the parents. So she's my mom. So yeah, we're out here. Tell us about the day today. What are we gonna do today?
No, just chilling.
So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Now we're on the way to a Jewish hospital here in Montreal. The food that you guys saw earlier, actually we're giving it to the nurses over there just to give back, you know, for their kind gesture and for their hard work. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we actually made it. What's your name, Fran?
Anna, friend.
And so right now we're at the Jewish hospital dropping off the food, so let's go. So yeah, so this is the chicken.
Thank you.
You have the pancit.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's everything. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye, take care.
Enjoy. Now that that's done, what's the moves? You have any plans today, or are you free? You're free?
I can go with you wherever you want. Turn left.
Oh, okay, well then, do you guys want to like go check some cars out? Huh? Like, cause I want to buy a car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're
So
rich,
like,
huh?
yeah, I want you guys to like decide a car for me.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm down.
Say what?
I'm down.
Oh, you're down. Okay. So, I don't know. What kind of car am I looking for though? Like maybe, I don't know. Like maybe like a Honda, you know, Honda dealership. Or what about like Subaru? Is there a Subaru nearby?
I want Lexus.
You want Lexus? One day, mom, one day. Oh my seatbelt. So, okay, so yeah, can we check Subaru? Yeah, let's go. Yeah? But that says yeah, what about you, mom?
Why not?
Why not? You're so pretty today, mom. Who are you looking pretty for, huh? Huh?
Always pretty.
Oh, that's the vibe.
That's your from.
Okay, so yeah, we're going Subaru? Is that okay? Because I want to check some cars out.
No problem.
Okay.
I'll go.
See you guys in a bit. Mom, what are you wearing? What is this? What is this? Come on, man. What are those? What do you think about this car? My sports model. Okay. What about this for me? Do you think I could drive this? But do you like this though? What kind of car do you like here? Do you like this?
Ang ganda ng kulay nito, Jay, oh. Ito ang gusto ng papa mong kulay, eh.
What about this one? You like this? Like, what's the style? What's the style that you like in a car?
Anything as long as they can move me from point A to point B.
You like a big one, a sedan, or a 4x4? Which one do you like?
I like a huge one.
Huh?
I like a huge one that I can put. I like a huge one that I can put a lot of sa pizza.
Okay, so no, I'm not feeling anything here. You feeling something?
No.
No?
Really, I want Lexus.
Okay, Lexus, huh?
Yeah, I want Lexus with the gray one.
Okay. I have a surprise for you, Mom.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What kind of surprise?
Are you ready? Are you ready? We're ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'm gonna introduce your mom cards. My
Yep.
name is Chino from Subaru Montreal.
Well, this is your surprise. What do you think? Come. Look inside. This is for your mom.
Thank you.
What do you Thank you, Chino. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll give you a hat. I don't know what color you like. Your husband say red. I'll get him a black one.
What are you feeling? What are you
Whatever
feeling?
you like. Whatever you like.
What are you feeling? What color do you like, mom?
I'll go get the
Do
key.
you have any white one to match with the car?
No, that's all what I have.
Okay, I like your mask by the way. It matches my shirt.
I didn't know you have a friend like a real.
Yeah, actually, okay. I'll get the black one. What do you? I'll go get a car. Are you not surprised about the car?
Yes, I am.
Do you not believe it? Huh? Go check it What do you think, mom?
Good enough for my sapin-sapin.
That's what she says, literally. Okay, no, that's my mom, guys. Calm down. That's my mom. But yo, look, it's actually as tall as me. Okay, mom, it's a prank. This is not your car. I'm just joking. I'm too broke to get this car for you, mom. But do you want this car?
Of course, it's big. It's okay.
Why do you keep saying that, bro?
Yes, because I have a lot of things to put inside.
Okay, got the
It's
extra
really good for my catering.
Okay, so you want this car?
I want a big car.
You want this car?
Yes, it's good.
Okay then. I'll
just-
get you this car.
Yeah.
I managed also, I forgot. I managed to get also.
What you say? I don't know what that is. I don't know what Kagara is. Can you talk in English for my people? Talk in English for my people. Yeah.
I really love it.
Yo, since earlier, she's like, oh my god, it's so big. Oh my god, it's so huge.
I'm happy. Yes.
I bet. You don't believe that that's your car?
So.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Red button SOS is your 911 button.
Okay.
And the I next to it is your roadside assistance.
Okay.
Damn, mom, you got a sunroof in your car.
It's nice, eh?
Brand new Subaru Touring 2021. You like it? It's nice? Nice, man. Is this gonna stop? Is this gonna stop? I'm not on the brake. Oh, stops? Wait, no. How do I make it stop without me stopping? Yeah, but okay. Forgot what she said, yo. She said a bunch of information at once. My lips are dry. Where's my lip balm at? Dang, this is fast too. I wasn't even putting gas in. This is fast.
Stars.
Let's have some sunshine. No sunshine. Sunshine. No sunshine. Sunshine. No sunshine. Naka-record pala ako. Ito na ito. Yeah, it's been recording. Huwag mo isasabi na. No. Anyways, that was pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Subaru and shout out to my boy Chino. Thank you guys so much for making this happen. Like this video if you guys enjoyed watching this. So yeah, man, this is me giving some to my mom, 51 years old. You know, I had to give her the Subaru Forester 2021, you feel me? We got a reaction out of her. She was surprised. She's a bit camera shy, you know, so she wasn't talking much. But you know, if you guys stick with me, watch my videos and grow with me, hopefully I'd be posting more content for you guys. You know, this is just the beginning of my journey. Yeah, man, show some love to my YouTube channel, you feel me? My Instagram and my TikTok as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yo, thank you guys for watching again. It's your boy J Life. We out. Peace.
I ever wanted was $1 million in a fast whip. Riding around my city with my homies in the back. Yeah, turn my music up and let it blast for the rap kids. You should call me